Extracted an AC7 audio file from a media project and your standard player won't handle it? This could be a Dolby audio variant that needs the right decoder. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play and convert these audio files without any trouble. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure AC7 formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. AC7 files are audio files potentially associated with Dolby Digital or AC3 audio codec variants used in multimedia and broadcast applications. They may contain multi-channel surround sound audio data encoded with advanced audio compression algorithms for DVD Blu-ray digital television and streaming media production workflows. AC7 audio files may use Dolby AC3 or enhanced AC3 codec, encoding with support for monostereo and up to 7.1 channel surround sound configurations. The format stores compressed audio frames with bit allocation parameters, frequency coefficients, and channel coupling data at various bit rates for professional and consumer audio delivery. The fundamental software link for AC7 files is built around VLC Media Player by Videoland Project. To access all data streams, audio-video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows provides basic listening capabilities, but detailed adjustments require specialized applications. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the AC7 file and click Open with. Test VLC Media Player first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If the AC7 file won't budge, stay calm. We're dealing with a highly specific AC7 file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, playing in VLC. Open the AC7 file in VLC Media Player, which includes built-in Dolby Digital AC3 decoding support. Use Media, then Open File, and select the AC7 file. If VLC does not recognize the extension, rename the file to AC3 and try again. VLC decodes and plays the multi-channel audio through your available audio output configuration. Next, converting with FFmpeg. Use FFmpeg to convert the AC7 file to a standard audio format. Run FFmpeg input .ac7 output.mp3 or output.wav for conversion. If FFmpeg does not recognize the extension, try renaming to .ac3 first. FFmpeg's extensive codec library handles AC3 decoding and can output to any common audio format. Finally, identifying the format. Open the AC7 file in Media Info to examine its codec information, bitrate sample rate, and channel configuration. If Media Info does not recognize the format, use a hex editor like HXD to inspect the file header bytes. AC3 files begin with a 0x0b77 sync word, which confirms Dolby Digital encoding regardless of file extension. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.